Welcome to tutorial number 31 about the wrap tool. I have this part from the previous tutorials, so I'm going to choose one face and insert a sketch on it. Normal too. So let's make some sketch here. And exit the sketch. So let's activate the wrap tool, and we have three different choices: emboss, deboss, scribe. So now we can see the difference between them. So here we can choose the face to wrap. We choose this face and the distance or the thickness of the wrap 1 millimeter, and the sketch we have created before. So now let's press OK, and now we see the wrap on the face of this box. So let's edit this feature to deboss. It will reverse the direction to be inside, and edit again, scribe, so we can see all the marks on the surface. So now I can close this tutorial about the wrap tool, and in the next tutorial I'm going to cover the dome tool. So see you in the next tutorial.